The ergonomic high-back mesh office chair rated for up to 330 pounds capacity. I'm convinced it's one of the best options in its price range. In this review, I'll break down the design, features, comfort level, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right fit for your home office or workspace. Design and build quality. This chair makes a strong first impression with its modern high-back design. The mesh material not only looks sleek, but also promotes excellent airflow, which is a game changer during long workdays. Unlike traditional padded fabric or leather chairs that can trap heat, the breathable mesh keeps you cool and comfortable. The build quality feels sturdy and durable, supporting up to 330 pounds without wobbling or creaking. The 5-point base and smooth rolling casters provide stability and easy mobility, whether on carpet or hard floors. Everything about the construction gives confidence that the chair is built to last. Ergonomics and adjustability. Comfort is where this chair shines. It comes with multiple ergonomic features designed to support healthy posture. High backrest with mesh support helps align your spine and reduces back strain. Adjustable lumbar support provides targeted lower back relief, which is crucial for preventing discomfort during long hours. Padded seat cushion, thick, supportive, and wide enough for a range of body types. Adjustable height and tilt function lets you customize the chair to your desk setup and personal comfort preferences. The ability to recline slightly with tension control makes it easy to switch between focused working and relaxed sitting without losing ergonomic support. For people who work from home, game, or study for long hours, this ergonomic design truly makes a difference. Usability and everyday experience. The chair is easy to assemble, with clear instructions that allow you to get it set up in under 20 minutes. Once assembled, it feels solid and supportive. The 360-degree swivel, smooth rolling casters, and wide range of adjustability make it versatile for different desk heights and workspaces. Whether you're typing, gaming, or leaning back to read, the chair adapts well. The armrests, if adjustable on your version, add another level of support, reducing strain on shoulders and wrists. Final verdict. The ergonomic, high-back mesh office chair, 330 pounds capacity, is a smart choice for anyone who wants a reliable, comfortable, and health-focused chair without breaking the bank. It combines solid build quality with excellent ergonomics, ensuring that you can work or game for long hours with proper support. For home offices, students, and professionals alike, it offers an impressive mix of comfort, durability, and affordability. If you've been dealing with back pain or just want to upgrade from a basic chair, this one delivers real value and long-term benefits.